Okay, tax. Okay, what do you mean by a tax? Simple meaning of a tax. It's a compulsory financial payment or charges to the government. ඕකට කතාව financially අපි government එකකට කරන payment එක. Okay, taxes normally tax කියන එකම අපිට රෝජම tax කියන එක so tax කියලා කියන්නේ government revenue එක. Government revenue option එක. Right? Government revenue option එක. Right? Government එක income එකක් කරන එක option එකක් තමයි tax කරන එක. අපි example එකකට අපි ලොත් ඒක country එකක් දැත්තොත් tax revenue එක තමයි බල government එකක් දුවන්න support කරන ලොකුම support එක. පහදද? එතකොට normally government revenue එක option දෙකයි. pick up tax අනිතට non tax. Well, non-tax කියලා කියන්නේ ගම charges, right? Charges අපි දැන් ඔය අපි පාරේ නාන්තර දැන්දි පාකි ඉරට යන එක charge එක. ඒක X එකක් නෙමෙයි. ඒක charge එක. non-tax option එක. ඔය use කරන public transportation ticket එකක් buy කරලා travel කරනවා. Government income වල but tax නෙමෙයි non-tax option. And we are not talking about this non-tax option. So we are going to talk about tax. Okay. When there's a tax, okay, so taxes can be divided into two. Normally, in according to the economics, taxes can be divided into two tax. There are two types of taxes. Okay. One is called proportional tax. Proportional tax. Other one is called unit tax. මේ tax තාව එක එක විදිහට වේදන ආහාරද direct tax and indirect tax but අපේ according to the syllabus we have talk about proportional and unit tax, right? So proportional tax mean, right? Proportional tax mean, right? Okay, this is the supply curve, right? Proportional mean proportion එන්න ඔබද වෙන්නේ මේකේ තියෙන අපිට මේ proportion කියන එකට power word එකක් දාන්න පුළුවන්. We can put another word called percentage. Percentage කියලා දාන්න. Percentage tax කියලා කියන්න පුළුවන්. Yeah, ආර මතක තියාගෙන option එක percentage tax. That means every price, when the price is accordingly we know when the price is increasing, quantity of supply is increasing. Quantity of supply is increasing. Proportional tax means always we are keeping a government is keeping a imposing a percentage value for the tax. Percentage value for the tax. American 50% kill now. So what will happen? 0 over 50% got to answer kill. 0. 10 into 50. We have 50. Right? Like 50% to 10. 5. Neighbor? So 20 divided 50%. 10. Then what about 30? 50%? 15. So now, after price tax, we have to add 0. 10, 5, 10 into 10 plus 5, 50. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 50, 45. Now, we have to draw the graph. We have to draw the graph after the supply, after the tax. So, earlier, during the 0, quantity of supply is 0. Now, yes, same. So say earlier during the price, okay, during the 10, quantity of supply is 100, but now 50. What happened? Prices increase. Earlier, they were supposed to supply during the 10, price of 10, but now their supplying at 15 price of 50. Earlier, during the 20, they supply 300, but now earlier during the 20, they supply 300, but now they supply 330. So what happened? Supply shifted. Right? You can see the V shape. Why? Its percentage, it's increasing. This is called proportional tax. But the idea simple. Right. Next one. Unit tax. What do you mean by unit tax? If we draw a curve, price and quantity, this is the supply curve. What does unit tax mean? Each unit, the price taxes say. Here what happened? Percentage. So price to price, what is happening? Taxes change. But here the tax is equal. Why? They are imposing tax to the unit of production. Unit taka value order the my tax aga value. If we drop a curve, price and quantity of supply 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Mapi mera 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Right, okay. Tax. थोड़ी सी दाना अंदर और each unit what is amount? Tax is stay. Then price after the tax. Any earlier they supplied 100 during the price of 0, but now they have to supply how much? 100 for the price of 10. Earlier 20, so price after taxes. Here 20. So earlier they plan to supply during the price of 10, but now they have to supply 200 at the price of 20. See, earlier they planned to supply 300 at price of 2 EP, but now because of the tax they have to supply at 300 at the price of 30. So likewise, see this. So if you draw a curve, the curve is like going like this. Okay, this is called unit tax and this is called proportional tax or ad valorem tax. I did other than